Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. And happy holiday season. The time is now upon us. It is after Thanksgiving. It is pre-Christmas. There are things floating in the air, like sales everywhere. And the other day, Trendmood had a mystery box for $39. And it looks like I got it super fast. So I'm very excited about it. But please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. So we're going to unbox this Trendmood mystery box. And it's supposed to have things that were from throughout the year. So it could be so many different things. And I'm very excited about it. And I love a mystery box. This tape is serious tape, man. And I've only gotten one Trendmood box in the past, and I really enjoyed it. So let's see what we have here today. Give your self-care ritual a professional upgrade. And then it says Trendmood, and it wasn't. So anyway, it's there. And it looks like we've got quite a few things in here. So let's take a peekaloo. The first thing I'm pulling out is from e.l.f. It's the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. Very nice. We love some e.l.f. products. Then we have Lash Brag, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mascara. Very nice. Then we have the Anti-Stress CBD Drops from Glow Skin Beauty. And let me take a look and see if these are for internal or external use. It says, calm, soothe, and adapt with 1,000 milligrams full spectrum CBD in a therapeutic adaptation complex, consciously formulated free of fragrance, dyes, talc, parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. This new serum benefits even the most sensitive skin. So this goes on your skin, not in your body. I was really hoping for something special, like something that's some Myrix or something. But this looks like a great serum, and it's in a glass bottle. It's got a nice weight to it. And that's what we all like to know, is how weighty is the bottle of serum that we're getting. Because that's what really matters. But CBD is supposed to be great for the skin. So that's nice. And then from Trendmood and DSMD Shop, we've got a sponge with a little angled blender, beauty blender type thing. And then we've got from Murad, the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Very cool. And this is a great looking bottle. And retinol is fantastic for your skin, but you have to use it in small doses. And I'm sure that it is something I can read about. Fast acting retinol serum quickly minimizes the look of lines and deep wrinkles, visibly firms and even skin tone, and boosts radiance for more vibrant and youthful looking skin. Rapidly renews while being gentle enough for sensitive skin with retinol triactive technology, a fast-acting retinoid, a time-release retinoid, and a retinoid booster. Hyaluronic acid hydrates to visibly plump and minimize dryness. Awesome. So you apply it at night in a thin layer and follow with a moisturizer. I'm going to start using this in my nighttime routine because I can definitely add a step. Then we have another thing from e.l.f. and it's your Keep Your Bounce Toner. I'm really disappointed that there's two things from e.l.f. This is, I mean, the things in here are definitely nice things, but two e.l.f. things, that's kind of lame. And then last but not least, there's a palette from Juvia's Place, and it is the Sweet Pinks by Juvia. And I like pink eyeshadow just fine. But this is a little disappointing. I really had a little higher expectations. And Juvia's Place is fine, and they make very good quality makeups. Gosh, I'm having trouble opening this box. I don't want to cut myself. This is so scary. I don't want to cut myself. This box is tight. There we go. Happy holidays. Here's a flesh wound. And it's nicely protected in bubble wrap. And I don't have this palette, but it is very beautiful. Look at that. Very gorgeous. And I'm sure I can get a lot of use out of it. So, once again, here we go. We got the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm really excited about this retinol serum. This is probably going to be very good. And this is probably not an inexpensive thing. Murad is some good quality things. Some anti-stress CBD drops for your skin from Glow. We have the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. We have the toner that goes with it. And when we have the mascara from Anastasia. And this Trendmood Beauty Blender type thing. And it's a nice amount of items, but I'm very disappointed in the two e.l.f. things. I'm just going to say that one more time. But overall, it's definitely worth $39. I definitely got my value out of it. Would I do it again? Maybe. But, you know, I'm a little fancy. I was hoping for something a little fancy and flashy. I guess the pink eyeshadow is pretty flashy, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, have a great day, and I hope you're doing lots of holiday shopping and getting some great deals. And we will see you next time. Bye.